Welcome to our step-by-step guide on unlocking all characters in Epic Stickman. Get ready to dive into the exciting world of Stickman adventures. In 2025, Epic Stickman introduces several unlockable characters with diverse abilities. Let's explore how to get them all. Step 1 is understanding the requirements for each character. Each one has unique challenges and criteria to meet. To unlock your first character, complete the first level. It's designed to be fun and easy, so jump right in. Next, you'll need to collect in-game currency. Look for coins and rewards as you play to help unlock characters faster. Participating in daily challenges can earn you extra rewards. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity. Unlock characters through achievements as you complete various tasks and challenges throughout the game. Here are some strategies to earn rewards faster, making your character unlocking journey much easier. Let's recap the unlocking process. Remember these tips for a smoother experience. You've now learned how to unlock all characters in Epic Stickman. Dive in and explore the fantastic options available.